Wow, look, low altitude economy. I watched some videos about it.
Like drone delivery?
Yes, I saw coffee drone delivery in Chengdu. It's driven by AI, super smart.
Hi, Ripin.
Hi.
You guys are interested in this tech event?
Yes, I remember you. You major in logistics, right?
Yes,
So you definitely know more about the drone delivery.
of course.
This is my classmate, Yuxin. We are both English majors.
Hi.
Hi, can we form a group?
Yes.
So we can research something about AI drone delivery.
Yes, I'm Qiang myself, from the mountains of Qiang, Sichuan. Fun fact, Qiang is actually testing drone delivery.
Oh, really? Let's do it.
Hi guys, our research focuses low altitude economy and drone delivery.
Yeah, according to DeepSeek, China's low altitude economy is booming. We're talking drones, air taxis, and more, all happening below 3,000 meters.
Guys, breaking news. Drones deliver goods starts in Nanbaoshan, Qiang, and serves 3 Qiang villages, Muti, Zhitai, and Jinhua.
Wow, this is my hometown. Last month, my friend Ding Hong, a drone application graduate, returned to help boost the local economy.
Amazing. Can we contact him? A field visit would greatly benefit our project.
Sure thing, let's go.
Imagine living in a mountainous area surrounded by clouds, with the nearest delivery center hours away. If locals need grocery or medicine, mountains become barriers.
Hi, Ding Hong.
Hi guys!
Hi, Ding Hong. This is Ray and Yu. We are here to explore our sky mystery.
Hi guys, follow me!
A drone takes off from Nanbaoshan, carrying up to 30 kilograms of goods, ranging from medicine to daily necessities, flying over mountains.
现在已经飞行了3公里，高度是950米，海拔高度是1500米。
In less than 10 minutes, it safely lands.
以前上来了搞1-2个小时，现在飞机嘛很方便了。
This is home to the Qiang ethnic group, known for their rich culture and stunning views.
我们南宝山正在打造这个西部的低空经济区域中心，探索科技赋能我们乡镇振兴。
AI drones empower remote mountainous areas. Nanbaoshan aims to have one drone pilot training hub, 4 key applications. They are
Logistics,
Agri-tech.
Delivery.
and emergency response. China is now leading the global low-altitude economy revolution.